Hello guys, welcome and/or welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today is day 2 of our 12 days of Christmas makeup challenge that I'm doing here on my channel, if you didn't know about that. Today's video is going to be a lip swatch video of the KKW and Kylie Cosmetics lipstick collection that they recently came out with. The first collection that they came out with, as you guys know, it was not people of color friendly. However, when I saw these shades, I was like, finally, yes Lord, I'm so here for these. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch all of these and give you guys my thoughts and opinions on what I feel like, you know, what I think about the colors. So if you want to stay tuned to see that, then keep watching. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family, and like and comment at the end if you enjoyed anything about this video. So yeah, let's jump right into these swatches. So I'm gonna take off my jacket because it's getting a little like stuffy. I'm wearing a shirt, have no fear. It's here. And take off this lip product that I have on my lips already. The first shade that I'm going to be going in with is this one called Double Trouble, and this is one of the mattes. Still has the same signature Kylie fruity kind of throw up smell.
You don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest.
Next, I'm going in with this shade called Soul Sister.
Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah. You don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
Next, I'm going to swatch this shade called Twinning. This is one of the Velvet formulas. The last shade in the collection that I will be swatching is this shade called Main Bay, and this is a gloss.
You live a high life, limousines through your fantasies. You never knew it, but you are my lifeline. You got me drunk.
Okay guys, so those were all of the lipsticks, lip glosses in this collection swatched. I will say that I love this lip gloss shade. I love this bronze metallic color. Main Bay is my main bay. This looks so good. I actually think that all the shades in here looked so epic on me. The only one that I felt like might need a little bit of a liner or more tweaking was Twinning, because it was more of the lighter pink shade, but it wasn't like too light where I couldn't wear it without a lip liner if I really wanted to, you know. I thought that this collection finally hit the mark. This is what I was looking for with the first lip collection they came out with. I think that these shades would really look good on any skin tone, no matter how light or how dark you are. I definitely think that these lip colors would look really, really good on you. I don't think I mentioned this in the beginning, but all 4 of these are gonna cost you $42. That's a little steep for 4 lip products, but this is Kylie and Kim, so like, were we really expecting anything different? Not really. So yeah, overall, I have nothing but good things to say about these. I will definitely be traveling with these to Miami when I go home for Christmas break, because these are all just like such beautiful winter party colors. And of course, you will see these lip colors featured in my future videos for 12 Days of Christmas. I just absolutely loved everything about these. And I think one last thing to note is that if you're not into scents, then these will bother you. I don't like the scent of the Kylie Cosmetics really, but I don't mind it because to me it goes away once it dries down or once it's just been out in the air for a little bit. So guys, that concludes this lip swatch video of the Kylie Cosmetics and KKW Beauty Lip Collection collaboration. Wow, that was a mouthful to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think down below by leaving me a nice little comment. And of course, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter, both of which will pop up somewhere around here. I will see you guys in my next tutorial, and happy holidays. Thank you so much for watching.